We're here at the Bosch Proving Grounds in Flat Rock, Michigan, and we're demonstrating a function from Bosch that's called cyclist protection. It's part of Bosch's automatic emergency braking suite of functions. And what it does is, as the name suggests, detect cyclists early enough to apply the brakes of the vehicle. Imagine yourself in a situation where there's a whole lot going on. Pedestrians crossing, cyclists either in parallel or crossing, traffic lights, other traffic participants. We easily get overwhelmed in these kind of situations. So the technology really helps to sense long enough into the distance and far enough to both sides to detect cyclists early enough to automatically apply the brakes of the vehicle without the driver having to step foot on the pedal, on the brake pedal. So what's cool about this is that we now have a full function suite from vehicle automatic emergency braking, pedestrians to cyclist protection that really is watching out and helps to reduce fatalities and injuries. How cool is that?